Okay, so today I wanted to go through how to add a LUT to your clips on Premiere Elements. I've got version 2020. First thing you need to do is go to this website, logarist.com, and download the sort of add-on you need. It's pretty self-explanatory. Click on download, download for what you need. Adobe Premiere Windows in my case, and then it's got pretty good simple instructions. Essentially, after you download it, you install it, unzip it to a certain file, and then open up Adobe Premiere Elements. So say I've got this clip that I want to add the LUTs to. What we do is Effects, Show All, Color Correction, and then your Logarist just turns up there. Unlike in Premiere Pro, where you've got an adjustment layer that you can sort of add to everything, you can't do that. You've got to do it to each individual clip. But you just drag and drop, and then it comes up with this. Go to Settings, you open, and then I've got some LUTs here that I've downloaded before, and we'll just add that one. And then there you go. And then you can toggle on and off to see your LUT. After that, you can always just change different things here and there to your LUT just to make it look better on your particular footage. The good thing about it is that after you do that, you can actually save this as a separate preset, which is kind of useful when you have sort of similar clips with similar colors and you just want to correct it the same kind of way, or grade it rather. Yeah, so I like things really blue. Might disagree, but no, maybe like, yeah, looks good for me. Just have a look at that. That's good. And so if I want to put it onto this clip as well, we just go to Settings. Oh, sorry, no, we don't. We go to right click, save the preset, and then we'll name it Ocean or something. And then we click on this clip, and we go to Effects, and then now it's in my presets here, and we drag and drop, and it will just automatically with the presets that I have there, which is great. So I'll just do it to show you guys. Yeah, and that's the previous sort of non color corrected footage. That's it. So it's pretty easy. Yeah, so have fun.